To learn about the history and the culture of Cai Dai Long, or dragon ribbon dance, I journeyed to Jiangxi province of China, approximately the size of Wisconsin, with more people than California. Moderate in modern industries, Jiangxi maintained an incredible amount of cultural history, and my dragon builders are located in the capital city of Nanchang. To maintain its rich cultural heritage and many traditional craftsmanships, the province focused on celebrating fei art forms, which carry meaning beyond materialistic value, examples including Jing porcelain, koi water painting, and, of course, dragon arts. Before China's modernization in the 90s, dragon props were made by individual artisan households by hand and were incredibly in demand during holiday seasons, vastly underserving the population's desire for the symbolic art form. Which is why I was super blown away by Nanchang Longden, a third generation of modern dragon prop makers at the tail end of a 700-year lineage of artisans. The current family business owner, Mr. Shi, and his apprentices are modernizing the production method to meet demand while maintaining high-standard traditional artistic styles. Materials were upgraded to ensure both ease of use and also longevity, but more importantly, to keep up with the times for new user demands. Nothing amazed me more than learning that the dragon ribbon dance is actually the result of COVID's limitation on team dragon dancing and popularized individual style dragon dancing across the country. With our style honoring that of the traditional team dragon dance and the ribbon using modern lightweight material from the team dragon props, dragon ribbon dance successfully combined both the demand for cultural values but also for individual expression. Most importantly, the ribbon dance pushed a renewed interest in physical, mental, and social health awareness across the country, becoming so synonymous with fitness improvement that over time it has a name of 健身龙, or fitness dragon.